Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. So today we're going to do things a little bit different. I'm going to share with you how I plan and design a wedding, reception, or an event from beginning to end. And so one of the first things that I do is that I like to scout the venue and get ideas on how I need to set things up according to what is needed in terms of the guest count, where food needs to be placed, if there's going to be a band or a DJ. I like to kind of assess all the areas and create a layout using allseated.com, and I create an entire kind of like room design or room layout prior to the event starting that day, and then I share that design with my team. So here is the before of the room, of the space that you guys see, and now you will see how it actually turned out. So as you can see, I draped off part of the room, and then the part of the room that was in the back, I did let that natural light come in just because it makes the room so gorgeous. And then on the stage area is where I put the bride and the groom, and all around that area is where I put the guest table. So I absolutely love this. The bride was a lover of bling, so I wanted to be sure to incorporate a lot of bling. And of course, you know, my go-to source for bling is totallydazzled.com, and I absolutely love these napkin rings. They look like a wedding engagement ring to me. I've never used them. I did want something really simplistic for the guest tables, and this napkin ring definitely fit the bill. Now her colors were like a grayish color, red and burgundy, so it was like shades of red and gray, and I absolutely love that. We did do red up lighting, so if the color seems a little bit off in this video, it's because the uplights are on, and we're filming also in the daytime so you guys can really see how this all came together. I also like to include like the menu card at each place setting so that the guests can see exactly, you know, what is on the menu and the order of events for the afternoon. So along with the bling pieces, we also placed the live florals on each table with the bling as well. So she really wanted the live and fresh florals in the room, and I'm telling you, the space really smelled absolutely amazing. Now, let me break a little myth here. A lot of people think that if you use silk florals that they're a lot cheaper than live florals, and let me tell you, if you use silk florals that have that natural touch, they are just as expensive, if not more expensive, than live florals. The cost saving comes in when you're able to use them over again, but for like weddings, I really love to use the natural flowers, unless someone has like a severe allergy or something like that where natural flowers can't be used. But I absolutely love the smell of the natural flowers in this space. It just gives off such a beautiful and elegant fragrance. You are the reason why I make it through. So you guys know that this would not be a true Lux for Less wedding if I did not incorporate something that was from the Dollar Tree. And this one actually came in the form of table numbers. I used the little square mirrors from the Dollar Tree, absolutely amazing. And then also the white 2-inch floating candle that you see here, I hauled them in a recent Dollar Tree video. So those are definitely some ways that you can save in the wedding, or for your wedding or for your event. So I always try to find some saving area that I can incorporate the Dollar Tree and not sacrifice or bring down the overall look of the event. So I don't like it to look Dollar Tree-ish. Dollar Tree is also another great place to go to get like your small vases for buds and florals. So a lot of the small vases, not the tall candle holders that you see, but a lot of the smaller ones on the table, all of those came from the Dollar Tree. And the reason I like to put those arrangements in the Dollar Tree is that at the end of the night, when we're giving floral arrangements away to the guests, I don't have to worry about them taking my more expensive containers. I allow them to take the smaller ones for the fresh flowers, so that they can either enjoy it in the privacy of their own home and take a piece of their wedding with them. And then sometimes people opt to donate it to maybe a ministry or some type of women's shelter. And so I don't have to worry about like moving the containers. When I use the cheaper containers from the Dollar Tree, I can just pick them up and deliver them to nursing homes or to any type of battered women's shelter or something of that nature. On the head table, as you can see, I went a little bit more grand with the napkin rings and with the place setting. And of course, those also came from the TotallyDazzle.com, not the Dollar Tree. And I just absolutely love the bling in this candelabra and the way that it was surrounded by all of these gorgeous flowers. Oh my goodness, I was so proud of how this entire tablescape turned out. It was absolutely amazing, and I could not have asked for it to be any better. I have an amazing team, you guys, and I'm so blessed for all the gifts and the talents that surround me and help me be able to do what you guys see here today and beyond.
Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. Hey, you know I dream about you night and day. Hey, even if you are 100 miles away. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are.
So for the sweetheart table, I knew I wanted to go all out, and that was in terms of the backdrop and in terms of the actual table skirt. Oh my gosh, it was so amazing. I was so fortunate for my mentor to come down and help me do the head table florals, Christopher Lauren. He is so amazing, and I was so thankful for him for being able to do that for me. So they turned out gorgeous. The table skirt was gorgeous. It's one of a kind. It is a one of a kind piece. I've gotten so many questions about it, and someone made it for their daughter for their wedding. So it is a truly custom piece, but I'm telling you guys, it really made a statement for the bride and for the groom. And of course, I wanted to incorporate more bling, more roses, more flowers, more candlelight. And I also have these salt and pepper shakers from the Z Gallery. One of my great subscribers, I want to say it was God's Woman, that gave me these as a gift. So I wanted you to know that when you guys send me things that I love, I actually incorporate them in my everyday life or in my business life, or both. So in this case, I definitely use those in both. For the chargers, I got these years ago at Tuesday Morning, Ross and TJ Maxx. They typically come out around the holidays, and I absolutely love them. And again, I went with a bling napkin here in the red. On the head tables, I went with a burgundy. Remember, I told you guys the colors were shades of red. And so I also incorporated the larger Starburst napkin ring from totallydazzle.com. Now, I absolutely love these armless chairs. They really accentuated the stage beautifully. And my gold chairs, they actually have arms in them. But I think I like the ones without arms better because they can fit people of all sizes and you don't have to worry about the arms getting bumped or broken. So I wanted to give you guys a look from the view of the bride and the groom.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe. Oh, I believe in you and me together. You and me always, forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. Hey.
For the seating chart, we kept things really simplistic. We just listed out the tables and the names of each guest, so when they arrived at the reception, all they had to do was pick up a favor, go and see what table they were seated at, and we did not have to have an attendant, and I really enjoyed that. It was really easy, and I love the favors that they picked out. They had different ones, so like this little shot glass, it says we wanted to take a shot, we tied the knot, and then they also had different types of alcohol, and I think they said a shot at love, and then it was like they had it broken up between the groom's favorite drinks and the bride's favorite drinks, and I thought that was really cute. And then they had like game cards. They had like a deck of cards that was just like they're throwing in their game, they're out of the game or whatever. I just really love that theme. And so what the guests were able to do is kind of pick what favor they actually preferred, and I absolutely love that. For people like myself that don't drink alcohol, they had like hand sanitizers, body washes, lotions. I mean, they just had a huge variety of items that the guests could choose from favors and something that they would actually love and enjoy. And I absolutely love that aspect of their wedding as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this event and seeing how I designed it from beginning to end. If you are interested in becoming an event planner, or you're already dabbling in it and you would like to take it to the next level, I highly recommend you guys to check out Luxe Academy, and I will leave that link down below. If you're already in the planning stages and you can't come to Luxe Academy and you're looking for where I find these items or where you can shop to find items similar to the ones that I feature in this video, I will be sure to leave the links down below to all the products mentioned, table linens, chair covers, chargers, napkins, and the napkin rings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you are not a member of the Luxe for Less family, I would love for you to be an official member. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and you are in. Thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
You know I dream about you night and day.